Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make jelly stock full guide. Gather fruit, sugar, pectin, clean jars, lids, and a large pot, then sterilize jars and prepare a hot water bath. Chop fruit and cook gently with sugar until it reaches setting point. Add pectin if needed, skim foam, fill jars leaving headspace, seal and process in the water bath for recommended time, then cool and label carefully. Start by measuring fruit and sugar so your jelly stock sets reliably and tastes balanced. Choose ripe fruit for natural pectin and flavor, and consider combining fruits for complexity. Simmer gently, stirring often to dissolve sugar and prevent scorching, then test for setting point with a chilled plate or thermometer. If needed, add a measured amount of commercial pectin or reduce cooking liquid for a firmer set, then jar promptly. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more canning guides. On another note, I love these socks I wear during long canning sessions. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. It keeps my feet comfy while stirring. Check the description for that link and other deals, then grab a sip, stretch, and now let's get back to the video. Seal jars properly to avoid spoilage and ensure shelf stability. Process in a boiling water bath for the correct time based on jar size and altitude, and always follow safety guidelines for canning. After cooling, check seals, label with date and contents, and store in a cool, dark place. If a jar fails to seal, refrigerate and use within a few weeks, or reprocess with a new lid immediately carefully.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.